The AlgoBox Current Day OHL indicator is your go-to tool for tracking the day's open, high, and low. Essential levels for understanding market direction and key price zones. This indicator automatically marks the day's high with a green dashed line, the opening price with a yellow dashed line, the day's low with a red dashed line. These levels are crucial for identifying market direction, price magnets, and support or resistance zones. It's fully customizable. Choose how frequently it updates every tick, bar close, or price change. Adjust the colors, styles, and placement of the lines. Manage CPU load with flexible calculation intervals. Use these levels as targets or reference points. They can guide your trading decisions and improve your market analysis. That's the AlgoBox Current Day OHL indicator. Simple, effective, and essential for any trader's toolkit. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.